Back in 1996, a Canadian crew outsprinted both stilt in Indonesia, hijacking Hong Kong's Dragon Boat crown. Their coach Jim Farintosh later taught my crew, the Outer Harbour Warriors, how to win. 5 straight national championships and a podium sweep at the World Club Cruise in 2018. 4 World Championships and a World Cup later with Team Canada, I walked away with the nation's cup. After several years of calling Hong Kong home, the medals can stay boxed. I'm here for the current beneath them, the roots that keep the boat moving.
From podiums to canals, come with me and experience the Dragon Boat Water Parade in Tai O.
The morning before the Dragon Boat Festival, preparations in Tai O were well underway. When I arrived, Pa Tang Hong, one of the village associations, was preparing to get on the water. While an old lady burned joss paper on the stairs of the pier. Legend has it that Tai O was hit by a plague in the 19th century. Villagers paraded the statues of 4 deities through the waterways. Guan Dai, Tin Hao, Yang Hao, Hong Seng. Dragon boats towed the deities downstream in an attempt to drive out the bad luck, and apparently it worked. As the evening approaches, the energy of the village starts to pick up. Food is a big part of the festivities. Our dinner included clay pot rice, crab congee in Qingzhou style, oyster pancake, and soft shell crab.
What's good about it?
I'm going to talk right now.
For the paddlers, it's beer, champagne, full Cantonese banquet food, and karaoke late into the evening. I'm excited to see what tomorrow will bring.
It's the morning of the Tai O Dragon Boat Water Parade, and after a night of partying and celebration, it sounds like the village is slowly starting to come to life.
Clubs make their final preparations. I stumble upon a crew doing their on-land warm-up before getting into the boat.
I'm getting chills because of the familiarity of all of this. For me, being here in Tai O and experiencing the most traditional Dragon Boat festivals is a full circle moment, not just with my culture, but with a sport that I dedicated about 2 decades of my life to. I committed so much time and effort into honing my craft, improving my fitness, doing everything that needed to be done to reach the pinnacle of my sport. I feel so excited to be here. There's like an electricity in the air.
After so many years, I still find it hard to turn off my critical eye and just enjoy the races. The front of the leading boat keeps diving into the water. Why didn't they distribute more weight further back in the boat? It's such an easy fix. I tried my best not to overanalyze the other races.
Lane 1's got it. Oh, yep. Inside lane.
Or maybe not, based on that paddler's reaction. A photo finish in the next race adds to the excitement. Audiences love to see close races. At the end of the day, the statues of the deities are returned to their respective temples, and yet another suckling pig, or yuju, makes its way to a post-race feast. We take the opportunity to enjoy gaidanzai, made on a charcoal stove. Heritage tastes better hand in hand. Tai O is able to feed my nostalgia for the Hong Kong of old in a way that few other places can. The stilt houses, friendly residents, and its meandering canals hearken to an era of Hong Kong whose disappearance seems more imminent than ever. Which is why I'm so keen on coming back whenever I can, to quench my thirst for connecting with my heritage, its humble origins, and familiar traditions. There are no words for the feelings that this place evokes in me. The dragon heads and tails are put away in storage for another year. But as we head back into town, Hong Kong's hallmark dragon boat race awaits us back on Victoria Harbour. The Hong Kong International Dragon Boat races are now held on Victoria Harbour, and some of Asia's top teams are in attendance. The Gaogong women's team, the men's team from Shenzhen, the mixed team from Gongmu, the Thai national team, Guangzhou Bangwan. The Toronto-based Water Vipers also joined in on the fun. The Gaogong women were dominant with an open water victory in the International Women's Final, while the Gongmu men's crew took the GBA Cup by a hair. Shenzhen edged out Thailand and the Mr. Canoe team from Taiwan. I feel I should be out there with them.
Congratulations for our championship.
In my pre-pandemic life, I raced at the sport's highest level. Being suddenly thrust back into this world for a weekend was a pleasant surprise, an unexpected homecoming and reminder of the world I left behind.
And now, to receive the gold medal and world championship, please welcome the team from Canada.
I'm grateful for what this sport gave me. Every podium finish with Team Canada, and every stroke with the crew that turned the Outer Harbour Warriors into a dynasty. Those seasoned on the water and my Hong Kong roots enabled me to read Tai O's Dragon Boat Water Parade and the races on Victoria Harbour from a unique perspective. Minutes after I stepped off the dock today, the Chinese national team guys spotted me, cracked a grin, and it was 2013 all over again. One of them slipped a medal into my hand on the way out, a small, shining reminder that the current still remembers our names. So to everyone lining up in Brandenburg at Worlds this July, Thailand, Taiwan, China, and the rest, paddle hard. The harbor's watching, and it has a long memory.